Some much-needed rain and mountain snow impacting southwest Montana Friday afternoon. Hello, everyone. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Hurd with an on-demand storm tracker forecast. Big snowflakes continuing to impact McDonald Pass around 2:30 Friday afternoon. And out towards Georgetown Lake, they saw their fair share of snow, several inches in fact. Good, heavy, wet spring snow. Butte also picking up snow this morning, but that did taper this afternoon. But look at the precipitation numbers so far in the last 24 hours between Butte and Missoula, well over a half an inch. So next week we got a similar pattern trying to set up. We got a cold front trying to work its way in sometime Monday and a Tuesday. That'll bring some showers and thunderstorms, but this cutoff low is just sitting and spinning out here right now. This will be another slow moving storm system with great potential for some moderate to heavy rain and mountain snow as we look at Tuesday through Friday of next week. But breaking down the pattern heading into this weekend, this low pressure system that's sitting over the region brought the cool wet weather today. That's moving out tonight. Building in its place is this high pressure ridge, but again, eventually this cold front and the low behind it will be working its way in early next week. But right now the weekend is looking fantastic. But as you look at the rainfall forecast model as we head into next week, again, a lot of heavy rain impacting the coast, Oregon, Washington, Northern California, and that will move into the central and northern Rockies Tuesday through Friday. So these areas highlighted in yellow, there is the potential for 1 to 3 inches of rain. Little hit and miss for southwest Montana, but keep in mind this is a very, very early model run. This will likely change as we try and narrow down timing, intensity, location. The National Weather Service is feeling somewhat confident that there could be around 1.5 to 3 inches of rain. On top of some snowpack melting, that's going to send some of our smaller streams and creeks potentially out of their banks. So you want to be prepared for some minor flooding issues setting up late next week heading in to Memorial Day weekend. Still very early, mind you, and we'll continue to monitor future model runs, and we'll narrow down timing, intensity, location as we get closer to that event. I just want to give you a heads up that there is another potent storm system setting up next week. But let's focus on the positive. And this weekend, everything's clearing out overnight. Still a few rain and snow showers around. Watch for fog tomorrow morning. You'll see some passing clouds throughout the weekend, maybe a pop-up shower, but generally dry and warm. Temperatures trying to get into the 70s and 80s Sunday and Monday ahead of the next storm system. Updates on next week's active pattern tonight at 5:30 and 10 at KXLF and KBZK.